of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today, I want to walk you through the Harris Crowne. So this is the top of the line for Harris pontoons. Very different as far as the front goes. Some differences between this and any of the other products that they make. So again, this is a Harris. This is a 25-foot Crowne. We're going to go up to the interior and take a look at all the different options that this can give you. All right, welcome to the interior. We're going to start out, this is called the SL layout, or single lounger layout. So we've got some nice seating in the back here. There is a cooler underneath that seat, and then this lifts up for a changing room and a little bit of storage under there as well. We've got some railings all the way along the back. That way you can sit back here while the boat is in motion. And then we have the Mercury 350 horsepower 4-stroke engine. Plenty of power behind that to have on this boat. A lot of electronics on this. You got the seat back here that if I just press this button right here, we can have it going from facing aft to facing forward. So that's really nice to have. And then as we walk onto the boat, you've got some nice wraparound seating here. You've got storage here, another small cooler there, some storage under there with the batteries in there. You can kind of see you got cup holders all over the place. And then I want to talk about this tower. So obviously, really cool, sporty looking tower. This is also a power tower. So I can press a button right up on the helm, and this whole tower will come down in the down position if you have to get it under a lift or get it under a bridge or something like that. So you have that option. It does have the integrated bimini, and you can open up the bimini to cover this area. Got a nice big high back here for the captain's chair. We've got the Simrad touchscreen here with some redundant controls. You can see we have the lights on, and the interior is interior lighting. There's cup holder lighting. Just a beautiful pontoon. All right, so we come to the front of the pontoon. Want to just show you again, this is some nice seating right up in here. We've got armrests that go down on both sides. And then we do have some storage here in the floor. So you got nice big storage down in there. We got the nice big 27-inch tubes. It's obviously a tri-tune, so big tubes to be able to handle any sort of water and able to handle the speed of the 350. I wanted to also mention here, you got the speaker system. This is JL Audio. So you got JL Audio speakers all the way through, and then we got the subwoofer here. So excellent sound all the way through. Again, nice seating all the way around. You can see the lighting again. Just a beautiful pontoon. This is the top of the line from the Harris lineup. Again, the 25-foot Crowne, Harris Crowne. That is here right in our Rogers showroom. Come on down or give us a call, and we can walk you through it. So thanks for walking through this boat with me, and hope to see you down here soon.